Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Xbox Live or Xbox Game Pass subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your membership is properly terminated. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account website. Sign in with the Microsoft account credentials linked to your Xbox subscription. Step 2. Navigate to Services and Subscriptions from your account dashboard to view all your active Microsoft subscriptions. Step 3. Locate your Xbox Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass subscription from the list of services. Step 4. Click on Manage next to the subscription you want to cancel to view detailed subscription information and options. Step 5. Select Cancel Subscription, and Microsoft will display information about what you'll lose access to when you cancel. Step 6. Follow the prompts and confirm your decision to cancel. Microsoft may offer you alternatives or discounts before finalizing. Step 7. Complete the cancellation process and note that your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Step 8. Check your email for confirmation from Microsoft, verifying that your subscription has been canceled. Keep this email for your records in case of any billing issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.